afraid of getting loose skin when you lose the weight? Or are you afraid that you will never have tight skin again because you gained the weight? Well, we're going to tell you exactly how we kept our tight skin during our 260-pound weight loss journey. We have no loose skin at all. So keep watching this video to learn how we keep our skin tight.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
Everyone might tell you that once you have loose skin, there's nothing you can do about it. You're going to need surgery. I don't believe that's true. I think your skin is living. I think your skin is breathing. And I think it's absolutely possible to work with your skin and optimize whatever skin you've got going on. And when you eat a high sugar diet, it definitely makes your skin pasty. It makes your skin loose. It makes you have more wrinkles. It makes you age prematurely. When you're on a GLP-1 agonist like Ozempic or Wegovy, it can also impact your skin because your gut microbiome is off. And so when you're malnourished, also, like if you're in deprivation, doing binging and purging, that also creates like a really bad looking skin. Your health is reflected on your skin. It's just, you can see it. You can see it when you see people. Like, is their skin blue or green or white? Is it vibrant and full of life? I mean, they've made us so afraid of the sun. The sun is not your enemy. And I know a lot of dermatologists would disagree with me. In fact, my own family would disagree with me. But I believe we do need a little bit of early morning sunlight. And there are a lot of doctors who will validate that the circadian rhythm science is valid and it helps you to lose weight. So a little bit of sunshine is really, really important for skin health, metabolic health, and weight loss.
Going into the morning with cardio and strength training is going to help you keep tight skin. And you might be saying, well, why does it have to be in the morning? Well, it doesn't have to be in the morning. You just have to do it. And a lot of you guys are making excuses of why you shouldn't strength train or why you can't do cardio. And all of it's complete BS because you can actually do anything you put your mind to. So I recommend just start with 3 days. Start with 1 day. At Step It Up, we preach one step at a time. If you're going 5,000 steps a day, go up to 8,000. If you do a little 5-minute jog, try an 8-minute jog tomorrow. Whatever it may be, just start stepping it up one by one. Maybe you do 5 minutes of strength training today and 10 minutes tomorrow. That's better than nothing at all.
If you want to optimize your skin, understand this. Cardiovascular exercise like walking, running, hiking, swimming, these are all great because they will shrink your fat cells, but that will also lead to loose skin. It is the strength training that, again, you don't need weights for per se. You can use your own body weight that is going to lift your skin, right? So you want the fat cell shrinkage, but you also want the skin lift, tone, and tightening. And that's what the strength training does. So you really need both in order to have that ultimate skincare, and we give you a guide. So if you want to look at all of our secrets, tips, and tricks, definitely click the link in the description. You will automatically join our email list when you do that, but you will get a guide for free that gives you everything. Now, it could be overwhelming, and we're here for you if you have questions. So we didn't buy $500 creams in order to not have loose skin. In fact, we made our own body butter out of things that are really simple and inexpensive, like coconut oil that you might use for cooking. We also use it for our skin. Even olive oil that we would use for cooking, we also use for our skin, right? So we did use oil massage, and I do think that's really important. But equally as important is getting antioxidants into your diet and life. And I know those haven't taken the headline for probably a few years now, maybe a decade. It seems like protein is taking the headline, and protein is important. But today I want to talk about antioxidants and why they're so important for your vitality, your health, and your weight loss journey. When you eat antioxidants, where are they hiding? Well, they're hiding in cacao. That's without sugar, by the way. Raw chocolate, pure cacao, which isn't very sweet, come to find out. Blueberries, very high in antioxidants. Goji berries, if you can find them, kind of a specialty food, also very high in antioxidants. But in fact, most fruits and vegetables are going to have a large amount of antioxidants. I know fruits and vegetables have been made the bad guy because they're carbohydrates, but you know what? I believe that they heal your body from the inside out, and we're seeing it with ourselves, and we're seeing it with the girls in our program. These foods are rich in fiber, but today I really want you to think about antioxidants. Antioxidants are found in the color of the food. So when you eat a red pepper or you eat bright greens, then you're going to get those antioxidants, and they are going to go and feed your skin. Have you ever thought about that? How do I feed my skin? We probably never thought about that, but you really shouldn't be putting things on your skin or into your body that are taking energy away from you. So just think about every single bite is going towards beauty, vibrant, healthy, free living, or it's going away from that. Because when you're eating French fries and hamburgers and milkshakes and candy and pastries, all of that is moving you further away from beautiful, vibrant, healthy looking skin. And your skin is really just a reflection of what's on the inside. My mom used to always say, like, beauty is only skin deep, or beauty comes from inside, and beauty is as beauty does. And I believe that all of these statements she made were true. And I want you to think about creating the skin based on the things that you're putting into your mind and into your body, because that is true. I've helped thousands of people over the last 34 years regain their vitality. And having beautiful, healthy looking skin is really just a side effect of the amazing possibilities that are available to you when you find your health again, when you reclaim your health again.
Tomorrow you doesn't care how today you feels. So I recommend that you start doing something today. Right after you see this video or while you're doing this video, do 5 squats. Do something that's going to get you towards a goal that tomorrow you will thank you for. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.
Don't forget, your body was designed to heal. It was designed to heal. So don't delay. Sagging skin shouldn't prevent you from losing weight. Change in your life is something you need support for, and that's why we have a 30-day challenge. I hope that you'll check it out. Very affordable, and you could lose 8 to 10 pounds in the next 4 weeks. Are you ready for that? Well, we are, and we're here to partner with you on that journey.